Let's explore on how to withdraw money from Pandabuy to PayPal. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Click on this button right here. And if this is your first time here on Pandabuy, you might want to click on the sign up button. And all you're gonna do is just provide your email address, password, and by clicking on the sign up button, you're all set. Now, once you are here in Pandabuy, so there's a lot of options that you can do, but primarily what you need to do is go to the upper right corner. So you see the profile icon, click on the wallet and under parcel. And once you're done that, now say for example you have a balance here, and when you click on it you have the option to refund, all right, on your balance. Now when you click on the refund option, and all you're gonna do is search for the PayPal account that's associated with your Pandabuy wallet, and that you need to confirm the amount. Say for example that's going to be 2,000, and then click on the confirm so that you can refund the amount that you have here in your Pandabuy, and then it would automatically be reflected to your PayPal account. Once you click on confirm, as you can see, this is gonna happen. And when you select the country and the available payment options, all right, you need to use obviously the PayPal, and you have other currencies that you can choose from: USD, from GBP, from Euro, and other. And just select the currency that applies to your country or specific region. And not only that, you can also use these other platforms like Stripe, Credit Card, Union Pay, Alipay, so forth, and others. And all you're gonna do is, if you have that option with you, just click on confirm refund. Right now, after that, if you encounter any problems withdrawing money from your Pandabuy to PayPal, you have an option here to join a Discord so that you can get some information regarding about that situation, or you can simply contact the Pandabuy support right here. When you click on it, as you can see, there's going to be a pop-up option wherein just tell them your situation, because Pandabuy is responsive if you encounter any problems regarding about your account, right? And obviously you need to wait for at least a couple of days from the refund to be successfully transferred to your PayPal account. And at the same process, you might want to go to your PayPal account. Now you need to log in. And then once you are on your dashboard of your PayPal account, just wait for the transaction, because it will automatically reflect here, and the it's going to be on the pending status, right? And again, if you encounter any issues with withdrawing money from here on your PayPal from Pandabuy, you might want to click on the contact us button right here. Click on it, and then just search for the common issues that's associated with your problem with withdrawing money from Pandabuy to your PayPal. Or if you want to, just call the PayPal support directly, and you need to log in so that you can call them directly if you are having any trouble with your account, right? And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.